Hello everyone and welcome back to the Dimension. Friends, today we are going to explore how we can create a customized section in a Tekla structure. So let's begin. So first of all, we need to move with the file menu, then go with the catalog, and here we will click on the define cross section by using DWG file. Here you can see there is one window in which we will going to define our input file. So just click on the browse, and here we need to define the path of our customized cross section. Just go to the document, and here we will select the edge section. Here you can see, just click on the OK. Here in the profile section and section name, you can define the name, and in another window in the profile attributes, you can specify the thickness and other parameter. Just click on the apply and OK. Now specify the start and end point for this profile. Now you can see one customized profile is created here. If you want to measure the distance of this thickness, then you can measure it. It's near about 10 millimeter. And similarly for the other section, again go to the file menu, then catalog, define profile, and again we are using define cross section by using DWG file. Here we are using width section. Now again you can change the section and profile name, and also in the attributes you can remove the thickness, then click on the apply OK. Now again specify start and end point for this section. Now you can see here another profiler created here. Now let's move ahead, and again we will create another one by the same method. Now this time we will select the profile or Z plugin section, and we keep the same in the thickness section. Here you can see one Z plugin or profile sheet are created. So by this method you can create your own section. If you see in the AutoCAD, the edge section have a thickness similar to the 10 millimeter, and in the width section, here if you check the thickness of this minimum area, then it will be equal to near about 5 millimeter, and in a Z plugin, in the profile sheet, the overall thickness of this section is near about 2 millimeter. Here you can check it. It's near about 2 millimeter. So always try to create your own profile by using the polyline, and all the profiles should be joined properly and it should be closed. If you measure the overall length of this Z plugin is near about 200 millimeter. Here you can see. Before saving, make sure that your profile does not have any dimension, and all the profiles should be properly matched and closed by using the radius. Now we are going to create one new profile for this tutorial. For this, just click on the new file. Here. Now click on the polyline and create one cross section by using the polyline. For example, suppose we are taking the start point here and specify one vertical line in upward direction, then again specify the length of this horizontal line. Randomly you can create any kind of profile. Click here and close this geometry by taking two more point. Just click here. Okay. It's going outside, just move it to the end point. Now it's a properly closed profile, and if you stretch it, then move it to the downward direction. Now if you measure the thickness of this section, it should be 19 millimeter. Now save it with some different name so that we can identify. Here suppose we are taking the name as a plate THK. This profile have a number of sharp edges. It may be created or not. We can check it in a Tekla structure. Now again go to the file menu, click on the catalog, then define profile by using DWG file. Now here click on the input file and we will select the plate THK file that we created in AutoCAD. Here we specify the thickness and now create this profile. So it's not created. Maybe the reason behind that is the number of sharp edges that we created here. So just try to remove all these sharp edges by using the fillet command. Here we are taking the 5 mm radius and remove all the sharp edges. Okay, the last one. Now our profile is ready and all the sharp edges we almost remove. Now again go to the catalog and define this section again. Here we browse the same file and click OK. You can change the name, section and profile, and also you can change the profile attribute, or you can remove the thickness. Just remove it and click on the apply and OK. Now again specify start and end point. Here you can see this profile is created. So friends, this is the easiest way you can create your own section by using this method. Hope you like this video and learn something. Thanks friend. Thanks for watching.